Evening, everybody. I'm gonna show you a sound demonstration of a cold start in my 2013 FRS. I have a Tomiai equal length header, stock overpipe, NVIDIA catless front pipe, and an NVIDIA N1 exhaust. It's been tuned by Drift Office to get 191 horsepower as it stands. So, hope you like the cold start. It's really loud, but the cabin sounds great. Sitting about 2,500 RPMs right. Sorry, 1,500 RPMs right now. It's not gonna work for a while because it's the middle of December, so let's do a walk around so you can see the car itself. Like I said, tuned by Drift Office. Now let's do a little driving. RPMs are down to 800. So far, I haven't gone over 4K. I'm on a military base right now, so I can't be really loud. As soon as I get off of it, you'll hear it. So when it comes to the N1 exhaust, I hear a lot of people complaining about it because they don't like drones. But I hear the single pipe, like the Burke and the Tomiai, drone pretty bad as well. I do hear drone. I don't complain about it. Can't complain. I love the sound. When I do long distance travels, everybody asks me if it bothers me. I say no because I just love listening to my music loud. So I don't hear it much when I'm driving. So that solves that problem. But when I first got my car back in 2013, first thing I got for literally was the N1 exhaust because it had the best sound I'd heard from all the exhaust. I wanted something low and deep. The only downside was I didn't have an NVIDIA I didn't have a unequal length header at the time, so it didn't have that nice Subaru sound. So rather than spend $600 on a new header at the time, or close to $800 or $1,000 if you wanted a JDL, I actually just went out and purchased myself my Callis front pipe, which, not gonna lie, one of my favorite additions. Just opened it up so much. I got 183 wheel horsepower on the first tune with the opened up exhaust, and then after that I had to wait a while, and I eventually got my unequal length headers. At the time, the Tomiai just came out with the Extremes finally, and I love the Tomiai brand. So what I did was I ended up getting that instead, and I took it to Drift Office. This is the first one they'd ever tune on equal length, and they matched it with the tuning profile of the JDL headers, and it was amazing. They said they'd never seen one with this price range that does just as well as the ones with the $1,000 price range. I loved it. Came out the way I wanted it to, and now I've got this nice deep throaty sound. Although when I hit up to around $5,000 to $7,000, it does get a little higher pitch. Some of the Subarus usually don't get because they have a turbo. I don't have a turbo in mind, so I'm gonna get the high pitch at the higher RPMs. But at the same time, still love it, not complaining. And now that we're off base, as soon as I hit past this red light, I'll be able to step on it for y'all. Doing a little takeoff. Second gear. Second gear up to $7,000. Hope you enjoyed it. So, hope you all enjoyed my video. I'm gonna drive home now. You guys all have a good day.